If you're over 60 and already drinking beet juice thinking it's protecting your muscles, you might be missing the one thing that actually makes it work. Because here's the truth. Most people don't realize beet juice alone can improve muscle performance. Studies show it can increase muscle power by up to 9% in older adults in just 2 weeks. But without the right combination, your body may not fully use its potential, and that's where everything changes. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful additions you can combine with beet juice, starting from the most common, all the way to the one simple ingredient that can dramatically enhance muscle preservation after 60. Stay until the end, because that last one is the real trigger your body needs. Before we go further, drop your age in the comments, because after 60, your muscles don't just weaken from age. They weaken from reduced blood flow, lower nutrient absorption, and slower recovery. And beet juice works by targeting one critical pathway: nitric oxide. Nitric oxide improves blood circulation, oxygen delivery, and muscle efficiency. That's why beet juice has been shown to enhance muscle speed, strength, and fatigue resistance in older adults. But here's the problem: if you don't combine it correctly, you limit its effect. Let's break it down. The first addition is lemon. It seems simple, but it matters more than people think. Vitamin C helps stabilize nitric oxide in the body, allowing it to last longer in your bloodstream. Without it, nitric oxide breaks down faster, reducing the benefits of beet juice. That's why many experts recommend adding citrus to nitrate-rich foods. The second addition is ginger. Ginger improves circulation and reduces inflammation. And inflammation is one of the silent drivers of muscle loss after 60. When you combine ginger with beet juice, you're not just improving blood flow, you're also reducing the internal stress that breaks down muscle tissue over time. The third addition is spinach. Now this is where synergy starts to happen. Spinach is also rich in nitrates. When combined with beet juice, it amplifies nitric oxide production even further. More nitric oxide means better oxygen delivery to your muscles, which directly supports strength and endurance. The fourth addition is protein, but not just any protein. Adding a small protein source like Greek yogurt or plant protein alongside beet juice creates a powerful combination. Why? Because beet juice improves blood flow, and protein provides the building blocks. Together, they create an environment where muscle repair becomes more efficient. Now stay with me, because this last one is what most people completely ignore. The number one thing you should add to beet juice to help stop muscle loss after 60 is a pinch of salt. Yes, salt. And here's why. As we age, electrolyte balance becomes critical for muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Sodium helps your muscles contract properly and supports hydration at the cellular level. Without enough electrolytes, even good blood flow won't translate into strong muscle function. But more importantly, sodium helps maintain plasma volume, which enhances circulation. That means the nitric oxide from beet juice can travel more effectively through your body. This is what most people miss. They focus on drinking beet juice, but not on making it work. Here's the truth. After 60, muscle loss is not just about protein, it's about circulation, inflammation, and nutrient delivery. Beet juice already improves blood flow, but when you combine it with the right elements, vitamin C, anti-inflammatory compounds, nitrates, protein, and electrolytes, you turn it into a complete system for muscle support. Now think about your routine. Are you just drinking beet juice, or are you actually optimizing it? Drop it in the comments. Because one small addition to what you already drink could be the difference between getting weaker or staying strong for years to come.